In this video, I am going to show you how to earn over $250 to $1,200 online by simply reading passages like this one right here in just a few simple steps. And we are starting now. I want you to look at these earnings and how much money you are going to be making with this method right here. As you can see, for just reading 300 words or less, which is an estimated total of 2 minutes. Between 2 to 5 minutes of reading you will stand to earn anything from $250 to $499. If you are able to read about 2,250 to 4,500 words, which is about 15 to 30 minutes of reading time, you will earn between $750 to $999. On the higher end, above 30 to 45 minutes, with a word count of between 4,500 to 6,000 words, and that's an easy $1,000 and more. Now imagine working for 1 hour and earning $1,000. How will your life change from simply doing such simple tasks online and earning a good amount of money? And not to mention that you do not need any previous expertise to do this. It's completely free and you can do it now on your laptop or smartphone, no matter where you are in the world. So right now, I want you to type in your browser, voices.com. As you can see here, this is a genuine website. It has been featured on Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, the Discovery Channel, and many platforms. Here are a lot of huge brands and companies that are undoubtedly genuine, so you can be rest assured that you will receive your payouts every day through PayPal, or a check, or a direct deposit into your bank account. You also have a lot of different payment options, and it doesn't matter which country you are from. Now, before I explain to you how you can do this, I need you to comment down below, "I am from blank, aka your country." In that way I will know exactly which country you come from. And in the future, I can make sure that every single video I upload will cater to you exactly. So comment your country's name down below. Here is how it works on this website. You will be given access to a lot of different projects from different categories, and in a second, I will show you which ones you should choose that will make you the most money. You can also choose from a variety of projects here, and I will also show you what these look like from the inside. Once you've chosen your preferred project, you will be given the script, the templates, the book, and all of the words that you'll need to read word for word. You are going to need a good microphone, or if you have a smartphone, you can record using the voice recorder on your phone. If you prefer, you can download for free any voice recording software from either Play Store or Apple App Store to help you with better sound quality. Remember here that you will be paid based on the length of your project. You select whether you want to take a 5 minutes gig, a 15-minute gig, a 30-minute gig, or a 45-minute one. On this website, there is a hell lot of endless work to choose from. That is the big reason why I love taking projects from this website, voices.com. They are very consistent, so if you are thinking about turning this into a solid income source, the opportunities are endless. On this website there are so many categories and jobs that you can choose from. Even if you only have a few minutes a day or several hours to work, you can still choose from these variety of options as you can see here. You can do it and earn all of this money right away by simply reading. Another good thing about this is that you are not going to show your face or record a video of you reading. Your voice recording is going to be used as a voiceover, or for an e-book, or in a video background, just like this one. They are simply looking to hire people like you, who can read words on a page out loud. As simple as that. Before we dive deeper into the video, let me remind you to give this video a like if you are loving this method so far, and if you have any questions, suggestions, and additions thus far, let us know in the comments section below. Now, let me show you how to sign up properly so that you get accepted and verified, as well as how to find the best projects that will pay you the most money, including to apply for different jobs and get paid as soon after watching this video. Go over to the top right-hand corner of the website and click on the sign up button. You will be directed to this page, where you will need to specify what you are looking to do on the website. As you can see here, you can either choose to hire talent for your projects, or in our case, what I usually do is I select Find Work as a Talent. Once you click that option, you will be directed to this page, where you shall need to provide your details. Type in your full name, your email address, and your preferred password for this website. Also note that your password should be at least 8 characters in length. It should contain 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, a number, and finally, it should contain a symbol. Remember to agree to their terms of service by ticking this box right here and then selecting Continue. Once you are done here, in order for you to gain full access to your voices.com account, you will be required to verify your email address. So be sure to go to your email inbox and click the verification link that they sent you there. And if for some reason you did not receive the email, you can always click on this button here to request them to send you another one. or in most cases, you might need to check in your spam folder. When you sign up for a free account on voices.com, your dashboard will show you a variety of jobs. For example, audio ads, audiobooks, cartoon voices, digital advertising, e-learning, explainer videos, podcasts, radio, television, and so much more. You can have access to all of these inside your dashboard after you have logged in. There are numerous categories to choose from, and now, let me show you the categories that contain the most occupations and which are extremely suited for any beginners and which you can work on from any country, whether you are from the United States, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, etc. So, the best category that I recommend you choose is audiobooks. The next one that I also work with is explainer videos, and the third category would be video games. These three categories will pay you the most amount of money as compared to the other categories. And this will also save you time to have to search through all these categories trying to find the ones that will earn you the most money. With these three categories, you are guaranteed to find a lot of jobs every time, and your chances of getting paid in time are also increased therefore. Let us now select audiobooks here, and for example, if you scroll down this list, you will see that people are working online from all over the world and are earning money at voices.com. You can see here that they are looking for talent, no matter your gender, male or female, and from any country. And if you come here where it says language, you can see that they are also accepting different languages. So, it does not matter really which language you speak. They have jobs for you, and you can start reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts and getting paid based on the hours that you work. You are going to have to choose a job that lasts about 45 minutes so that you can get paid $1,000 every time you complete each project. As I said before, the best category to earn more money on voices.com will be the audiobooks category. When you are finished reading those books, they will give you the scripts and the templates. And all you have to do is to make your final reading, record your voice using your smartphone, and then you get paid. Here is a sample of the script that they will provide you with. This will include the client's name, the voice age that they are looking for, the gender of the voice, the job description, and the direction of the script. All this is meant to help you with getting into character for the recording. The script includes a category for the job, the industry, the style, the specific language they are looking for and the accent. Below, they also specify the total number of words you will be working with. As you can see down here, this is what the sample script will look like, including the parts you will be voicing. If you scroll down below, you will see here the social proof of thousands of people who are taking on projects on voices.com. These are people who are already making money on this website, and they are also looking to improve their skills. You can also click here to join the community on voices.com and benefit from sharing tips with others on this website. It's as simple as that. And if you would like to learn how to set up your own online business that will generate for you passive income, then click the link below this video to get started.